What is going on there, NFL Rivals content viewers? It is 9:59, so I am currently just short. Okay, upgrade a player. I'm just short of the needed amount to. Oh my goodness. I need a small amount to receive a new blueprint because one day I missed a daily task, so I'm about 80 whatever points, how power pass points. So there they are. All right, here we go. Yeah, so I was a little bit short, so I had to get one of those. Hopefully, we get Stefon Diggs, a great card to have. Still loading. All right. Ooh, I would have liked Cooper Kupp. Cornerback Christian Fulton, which I already have 3 of, so it's the way of the road. It's the way she goes. Oh my goodness, screen pass. No kidding. Who would have guessed a Saturday screen pass? They used to release these screen passes on Wednesday, so it's 10:01. We did not get the first screen pass, but that's okay. Come on. Oh, ouch. Ouch. That stung a little bit. I'm not gonna lie. That the road is not going. Ever since that tight end that we got, so looking into my inventory. Filter by. So there we go. 3 of the cornerbacks, 2 kickers, 2 running backs, 2. Yeah, just 2 of a lot of these cards. And I have not gotten a single epic for free, which is, again, unfortunate. There's a lot of players in this current Power Pass. Oh my. There are, 10 epics, and I have not been able to pull that, but that's all right. So, I'll just most likely, I was gonna purchase Joshua Palmer. His blueprint cost $1.50 on the Rivals Marketplace, and that's just because I would like to fill out my win bonus. I don't have enough epics. There's a blank spot right here. So if I purchase Joshua Palmer, that'll fill us the last spot that I need. And I'm not gonna consider the kickoff player, but that's it. Looking into the team real quick, I'll just show you one last thing. I did purchase another player of the year, Chris Lindstrom, Falcons. He's just a great price. I got him for $7. So I went ahead, upgraded him to level 20. So now he replaced 191 overall. So it's just a better power scheme. Thank you and have a great day.